Hey, welcome to Buy, Build, Ride, and today we are going to be looking at our latest Craigslist purchase. Welcome again to Buy, Build, Ride. We're going to be talking through our latest Craigslist find. We were able to pick up a DRZ400E off of Craigslist for $1,050. Now, you might be thinking, how in the world did you find that? Well, check the sites daily, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist. The deals are out there. You just have to find them and jump on them immediately. We kept our eye out for the deal and we were able to score it. Now, as you can tell, no taillight currently, no headlight. She is not ready to ride on the road, especially where we are in Pennsylvania. Having a plate on your dirt bike is critical to be able to get around and ride the different areas. Now, I will tell you, we were not given a title with this bike. We had the previous owner sign us over a bill of sale, and with that, we got one of these, a Vermont license plate that is tied to this bike. How did we do that? Well, if you have a motorcycle that's over 15 years old, Vermont does not require a title to register that vehicle. And also, Vermont does not require you to live in state to register a vehicle in Vermont. What that has enabled us to do is make this DRZ400E, originally sold as an off-road only model, street legal. Now obviously, again, we're gonna put the turn signals, headlight, taillight, make it fully DOT road legal. So our goal here is to build this DRZ for under $1,500 out the door. We are lucky, brand new plastics, number plates, side panels, front fender, so that's good. We're gonna run through some things that are wrong with it. We have a broken stator cover, broken clutch cover, our front sprocket countershaft seal is leaking, front fork seals need to be redone, we need a new chain, and then we need to do the full dual sport kit. Headlight, taillight, turn signals, we already have the battery there, so we're really just tapping in. We're gonna be using a Tuss dual sport kit. They're relatively inexpensive and they're gonna make our lives so much easier. It's handlebars, new grips, we're gonna reuse the handguard. So that's kind of where we're at with this bike. We hope you guys are willing to follow along with us as we go through this build. Now we're gonna show you some of the parts we've already got in to put on this bike. So we've gone through everything that's wrong with the bike. Now we have in front of me what we are going to be replacing on it. So first off, we talked about how our stator cover is cracked. Fortunately, we got a really good deal on this part. It was included with the sale of the bike, so free. So this does not take away from our $1,500 total. Second off, because it's sitting there on top, is headlight. Because again, this bike did not come with a headlight. This one was purchased a long time ago, and so we aren't gonna count it against it because, hey, I don't throw anything away, as you can kind of see in my garage. So we're gonna consider this one already used, so this one's free. So again, headlight free, keeping that price low. Inside of here, we have the clutch and stator cover gaskets. DRZ, it looks like, uses paper gaskets, so that's probably why they weren't super expensive. But again, that's both sides of the engine, so we're good there with our gaskets. Along those same lines of the gaskets, here I'm gonna pull out our new clutch cover, because again, that has a hole in it from the brake. Over here, we have our fork seal kit, bushings, seals, dust covers, everything. Here we have our Moose Racing countershaft seal kit for the DRZ, because again, we got a leak there, so we were able to pick that one up for it. Right here, we have our favorite here, Pro Grip 714s. Excellent grip, they're like $12 on Amazon. Highly, highly, highly recommend them. We run them on literally on every single dirt bike we have in here, we run them. They're cheap, comfy, and just work great. Inside here, we have our dual sport kit, horn, switches, turn signals, hydraulic brake switch, the dual sport wiring harness, and we got our DID chain. And then we also needed to pick up a spec bolt kit, all OE spec or better bolts that you need for your frame, body panels, because unfortunately the previous owner was not good with keeping stuff tight. They're $49.99, really reasonable, can't really beat the price for what you're getting here versus going to a hardware store and piecing this together. And then last but not least, we got our turn signals for the bike and our brake lights. I Cherubies knockoff, but just as good. LED brake light. We do still need to pick up some handlebars, but besides that, that should be everything we need to get this bike back together and on the road. There will be links in the description if you're curious on where to pick these things up. And the total price is here, which last I checked, it was a few dollars under 1,500 bucks. So again, thanks for coming to our channel, checking out our videos. We are going to have a little mini series here of actually going through and rebuilding this bike, getting back up street legal, good to go. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe. And lastly, if you happen to be someone that can contribute to this build, whether parts, whatever, please reach out to us. Our email is buybuildride@gmail.com. We would love to have you sponsor this build. I know we're a small channel, but hey, it doesn't hurt to ask, see what you guys can do. Thanks for watching.